Welcome to the world where the future is now, and your toaster probably has more computing power than a spaceship from the 60s. I'm your host, also known as Captain Gadget, and today we're diving into the wackiest, most mind-boggling tech gizmos that you probably didn't know existed, but now won't be able to live without. Ever wondered if your fish could text you? Ponder no more. Or how about a fridge that tells you off for eating late at night? Yes, we've got that too, so buckle up and prepare to have your minds blown as we explore gadgets that are so advanced they make your smartphone look like a potato. And trust me, you don't want to miss the gadget that can literally make your dreams into movies. No, I'm not making this up. Are you a globetrotter constantly on the move? Do you find yourself juggling a multitude of chargers and adapters, making your travel experience less than ideal? Say goodbye to the hassle of conventional charging solutions with the revolutionary Octopass, the all-in-one travel charger for home and travel. Introducing Octopass, your ultimate travel companion designed to make charging seamless and efficient, no matter where your adventures take you. This innovative device is not just a charger, it's a game changer in the world of travel technology. Universal compatibility. Travel to over 200 countries without worrying about charging compatibility. The Octopass comes with a universal adapter, ensuring that you're never caught without power, no matter your destination. Detachable 10,000 mAh power bank. Enjoy the convenience of a high-capacity power bank that detaches from the main unit. Whether you're exploring a city or camping in remote areas, your devices will remain charged and ready to use. Your digital life with SHARGE Disk. The SHARGE Disk is a remarkable innovation in the realm of external storage solutions, especially tailored for those who require both portability and performance. Weighing a mere 24 grams, it is impressively lightweight, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go users. Its pocket-sized design ensures that it can be easily carried anywhere, providing convenience without compromising on functionality. A standout feature of the SHARGE disk is its active cooling fan. This is not just any ordinary cooling mechanism. The built-in fan operates at an impressive 11,000 revolutions per minute, which significantly reduces the SSD's temperature by up to 20 degrees Celsius. This is a crucial aspect for users who deal with heavy workloads like AAA gaming, 4K movie editing, or intensive video editing. Overheating is a common concern in such scenarios, and the SHARGE disk addresses this issue head-on, ensuring your SSD operates at optimal temperatures, thereby enhancing its performance and longevity. The enclosure boasts a high-speed data transfer capability, reaching speeds of up to 10 GIPS. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals or enthusiasts who frequently transfer large files. For instance, sending a 4K movie can be done in less than 2 minutes, which is a remarkable feat and a massive time saver. FLEXTAIL EVO ICER. The FLEXTAIL EVO ICER is an innovative portable ice maker that redefines the concept of on-the-go cooling. It's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, families, and anyone who loves spending time outside during the summer. One of the most striking features of the EVO ICER is its compact and lightweight design. Measuring just 12 inches wide and weighing a mere 20 ounces, including its built-in battery, this device is incredibly easy to transport. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping in the wilderness, or enjoying a picnic in the park, the EVO ICER is designed to be your perfect companion. It's small enough to fit under your arm and light enough to carry across the beach or any terrain without any hassle. The built-in 200-watt battery is a significant advantage, offering cordless convenience. This means you can enjoy cold drinks and fresh food without worrying about finding a power source. With just one click, the EVO ICER can produce enough ice to fill both your cooler and your cup, allowing you to relish the outdoors without the discomfort of the summer heat. eufy Security Smart Drop. This is an innovative solution for secure package delivery. The Smart Drop is essentially a smart mailbox that keeps your parcels safe until you're ready to retrieve them. It's perfect for those who shop online frequently and are concerned about package theft. With its smart connectivity, you can monitor deliveries remotely and even communicate with couriers through the device. BitBar. The bit bar is a versatile and high-quality tool designed for those who appreciate craftsmanship and utility. It's a multi-purpose tool that combines various functions in a compact form, making it ideal for everyday carry. It's particularly useful for DIY enthusiasts or professionals who need a reliable tool on hand. Woobin X3. This is a powerful and durable flashlight, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or for use in emergencies. The Woobin X3 offers high lumens output, ensuring bright and reliable light. Its robust construction makes it suitable for rough outdoor conditions, and its long battery life is ideal for extended use. Active Buds. These are high-quality earbuds designed for music lovers and active individuals. They offer excellent sound quality and a secure fit, making them perfect for workouts or commuting. The Active Buds also feature noise cancellation, enhancing your listening experience by blocking out external noise. The Mega Oloid. This is an intriguing and unique kinetic sculpture, blending art and science. It's a conversation piece that doubles as a stress reliever. The Mega Oloid can be a creative addition to any office or home, offering a mesmerizing and relaxing visual experience. XenseLabs Pen Display. This device is a boon for digital artists and designers. The XenseLabs Pen Display offers a high-resolution display and responsive pen input, making it ideal for drawing, photo editing, and other creative tasks. It's a great tool for professionals seeking a precise and intuitive drawing experience. Jector Pro. This is a high-quality projector designed for movie enthusiasts and professionals. The Jector Pro offers clear and bright images, making it suitable for home theaters or business presentations. Its compact size and ease of use make it an excellent choice for portable entertainment.